This just in. It's raining outside. Today is celebration. So when I reflected on today and what it meant, celebration was the first word that came to mind. We're celebrating these two right here for creating an amazing relationship that we've all been privileged to see.
Tom, I have spent years picturing this moment. You know when you're young and you daydream about how you'll meet your perfect person? I used to imagine that it would happen to me when sitting next to someone on a plane, sharing a table at the library, or waiting in line at the cafe. Never in my wildest imagination could I have predicted how I would meet you. Hey, Crystal, would you be able to help me clean up my patient in room 14? He was incontinent and it is everywhere. Really, the first time we ever talked, this is what he said to me.
Who's getting married today?
I hustle like bro was Sam with the son of man with me, yo, no.
We've got the groom, Tom. Tom, tell us a little bit about your experience from the day.
Oh, everybody showed a lot of hustle out there, a lot of blood, a lot of sweat, a couple tears, but we made it. We made it.
Nobody sitting around a stomach and building an empire, never troubling.